This is Gloria. She arrived with no fur, no sparkle, just scars. Abandoned, broken, and barely surviving. She discovered sunbeams. The street dog became a baked potato, toasting her worries away. And we saw the first hint of peace on her face. First bath wasn't just a rinse. It was the beginning of washing away the pain. Wrapped in warmth, for the first time she felt safe. Weeks of healing followed, medicated baths, proper food, love in every touch. Her skin softened, her spirit brightened. She watched, learned, copied. Every tail wag, every playful bounce was another step toward joy. She was no longer just surviving, she was becoming someone new. Gloria, once so unsure, now sleeps with a soft sigh and a full belly, wrapped in blankets, surrounded by love, and her past, just a shadow behind her. Sometimes she misbehaved, got a little too spicy. But whether she was strutting in a bow or stuck in puppy jail, she was home and she was loved. She found her voice. She begged for belly rubs, demanded treats, and took over hearts and kitchens alike. She knew she belonged. Two weeks in, her fur began to return. 3 weeks, her eyes sparkled. 4 weeks, she glowed. The crusty little creature was now a radiant little queen. The hairless little foster pup is now a tricolor beauty, spayed, healed, glowing. She's still silly, still sweet, but now she's home for good. It's official. Gloria found her forever family. From foster pup to full-time spoiled queen. She didn't just get adopted, she got adored. From crusty worm to full-blown royalty, Gloria didn't just grow, she glowed. This is what love does. It mends the skin, soothes the soul, and lets the light back in.